It's the Magic Kingdom. Oh my god, I can see it. We're so close. Ah! We are in the Magic Kingdom. Oh my god. It is the castle. Out of all this, there's now the castle. I am at early entry right now. It's where you get to enter the park and ride the ride 30 minutes early. I'm staying at the Polynesian Resort, so I got early entry. You can also get early entry at the Floridian Resort. There's some rides, like if you're going to Hollywood Studios, if you have early entry, you're going to want to ride the Resistance, because that is one of the most popular rides. We're going to the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It's a roller coaster, and it's based off the Seven Dwarfs. Look at the crystals. Kind of looks like the Kyber crystal. Look at Hollywood Studios. To watch music like we're going in the front row on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Total 10 out of 10. That was so fun. Oh my god, that was epic. That was epic. Teacups. We're gonna go on the teacups.
Teacups!
Teacups! We must find the fastest teacup Alright. Before we do anything, we must find the fastest teacup. I'll keep you notified on what the fastest teacup is. Woo! We are at the Tron motorcycle run. Oh my god. I can't wait to be doing that. Look at the track.
Here it comes.
Tron light cycle run was really fun. I was scared for nothing. I was really scared because I thought I was gonna fall out, but it was fun and it was really fun. It's scary at first, but after like a few seconds, it's really exciting. It's really, really fun. 10 out of 10. I'm going into Space Mountain. Yeah. That was so fun. Well, I'm disappointed. That was it? That was so fun. I'm disappointed because it wasn't longer. Oh my god. That was such an exciting thrill. Wow. This is the newest ride, Tiana's Bayou Adventure, which used to be Splash Mountain.
Waterfall.
That's big. Oh my god! You are so wet on the road!
You found the sound? That was great! Oh, here it comes.
No! God, no! No!
They look warm!
You're warm and have dry clothes! I'm jealous! You're warm and have dry clothes! Oh my god.
What do you think?
They're warm and have dry clothes on.
This is a great summer ride.
Yeah.
Great summer ride.
Yeah, but we're in the Christmas season, so great.
Merry Christmas!
I am going to have beignets, Tiana's famous beignets for the first time, and my first beignets. We're going into the Enchanted Tiki Room. Woo!
What is this, senorita? My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
We are at the Haunted Mansion. There are gravestones with little rhymes before you enter the Haunted Mansion ride.
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
I'm about to go on the It's a Small World. Looks like a good ride. I'm at the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. This ride actually came before the movies, just like the Haunted Mansion.
These are ibis.
And ibis. It is the Hall of Presidents. Hall of Presidents State.
The Presidents of the United States of America.
Hey, let's talk about the voice of Disney. It is Thurl Ravenscroft. He is in the Enchanted Tiki Room, the Haunted Mansion, the train, what else?
Tony the Tiger.
And he is also the real actor, the voice of Tony the Tiger.
And what song?
He was the one who sung the Grinch theme song. This is the Jingle Cruise. Oh, hippo. Look at the hippo. Hippo.
You know, a lot of people say that people like Walt is so easy that a monkey could do it.
Oh, looks like they're ready to go.
That is easily
This is Country Bear Jamboree. Look. Look at the talking cat. That's Thurl Ravenscroft. Cinderella's castle. This is the lobby of Cinderella's castle. There are knights, and up there is Gus Gus. This is Cinderella's royal table in the Magic Kingdom of Cinderella's castle. Well, that was it. Walt Disney World and Magic Kingdom. You just look around. You can just take out the mattress. There's Walt Disney and Mickey. Giant castle. And right there, gorgeous. Wow. There is a lot of magic here at Walt Disney World. Peace out, guys.